no, you shouldn't be talking about anybody.
Comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, that bell, that bell.
I don't understand how some people's lives be in shambles, but yet they find the way to always have something to say about the next person's life. Like, you don't have a steady foundation in your life. Like, you are not your steady foundation. You are not steady. You are unstable. Nothing is going right in your life. But you know what you decide to do? You decide to talk about the next person. Why? You don't have any room to talk about the next person. You know, misery do love company, so I understand why the misery do it, but like, I couldn't. Like that energy you guys take, like your life is in shambles, so why don't you take that energy to actually work on yourself and mind your business and not worried about the next person? Like, why don't you do that? It doesn't make sense to me. Like, I can't stand people that always have something to say about the next person. Like, mind your business. I don't want to hear it. Personally, I don't want to hear it. Like, I don't care. And especially when it's like you talk to that person every time and they just want to talk about people every time. Like, how's my day going? It's going great. How's your day going? I actually would want to know how your day's going. I don't care about this person that I don't even know about how their day's going and what they got going on. I don't care. And I be realizing that when they be going off about people, I be thinking like, but your life isn't even up to par. You ain't even happy about your life. But you know, that's the whole misery loves company ordeal, which is so just tacky. Like, why can't people just be miserable and just stay in their own misery and wallow away in their misery until they're tired of being miserable of themselves and then go fix themselves and then go be happy? Because I don't want to hear it. I'm sure other people don't want to hear it. So my advice to you people whose lives are in shambles and shouldn't even comment on the next person's life is get it together. Just get it together and work on you, baby. Because at the end of the day, the only person that can get you anywhere in life really is yourself. If you think you're going to get far in life, worried about the next person, judging people, and being nasty, you're not getting anywhere. Because don't nobody want to be around somebody like that. Right? But guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm late as usual. I have to get right within because I be ready to record and then I just don't be. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell so you can get my notifications. My chair don't turn on me. Guys, thank you for watching. Until next time.